Hello students, this is Class 7th Science, Chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric, Homework Solutions of the question which were given to you after the completion of lecture number 1. Let's begin with question number 1. It is already mentioned that it's a multiple choice question. In these type of questions, the correct answer is already given to us. We just need to choose it as per the question asked. Question number 1. Which of these is not a natural fiber? Option A, wool. Option B, silk. Option C, rayon. Option D, jute. Yes, you all have got it right. It's rayon, as it's an example of man-made or synthetic fiber, whereas rest of the three, wool, silk and jute, they are natural fibers. Question number 2. Yak wool is common in A. Punjab, B. Ladakh, C. Kerala and D. Gujarat. If you have marked Ladakh as your answer, then yes, it is absolutely right. Option B, Ladakh. Question number 3. Wool is a dash fiber, whereas nylon is a dash fiber. Yes, we all know wool is a natural fiber, whereas nylon is a synthetic fiber. You all already know wool is an example of natural fiber having an animal origin, whereas nylon, a synthetic fiber, is produced with the help of chemicals. Question number 4. The hairy skin of the sheep has how many types of fibers? Answer. The hairy skin of the sheep has two types of fibers that forms its fleece. These two types of fibers are number 1, the coarse beard hair, and number 2, the fine soft under hair close to the skin. Question number 5. Answer in one word. Number 1, the goat from which pashmina wool is obtained. If you'll recollect the different type of sheep breed which we have learnt in the lecture, you would recall pashmina wool is obtained from Kashmiri goat. Yes, the under fur of Kashmiri goat is soft. It is woven into fine shawls called pashmina shawls. Number 2, the sheep from which carpet wool is obtained. Again, to answer this question, we need to recollect the different breeds of sheep which are found in our country. If you have written Nali sheep, then you are absolutely right. These sheep are found in Rajasthan, Haryana, and Punjab. Students, in these questions, the explanatory part is just to make you understand the reason behind the given answer. However, if you are not writing the explanation, then also it is absolutely fine because the question is asking you to answer just in one word. Question number 6. How do the hair of certain animals help in keeping their bodies warm? Answer. Hair of certain animals trap a lot of air. Air is a poor conductor of heat. So, hair keeps the animals warm. The word poor conductor has been already explained. Let me tell you once again. These materials or substances do not permit the heat to pass through them. Hence, in this case, they act as a barrier for heat to get in contact, or should say direct contact, to the body of animal.